Okay, everybody, now we're doing test number 2 with it being on a hard surface. So just to show you, that these do work. These ones, I think they're dead. They don't do nothing. So, all right. I'll wait for it to stop. All right. So if anybody is here, go up and touch the ghost balls, okay? There's no fan on. It's unplugged. I know before we had the incident with the fan cord. I just want to see how reliable these ghost balls are. Now, they have been going off at night, but there's been objects around them. So if anybody's here, that's good, not evil, want to come up and touch these ghost balls. They do work. I just touched them. You can go up and touch this one and it will light up. Now I'm surprisingly how quickly these balls die. Like, they don't last for a long time. And at $15.99 for 4, and one of them came already that didn't work. That's a lot of money to invest in these. I got them through Amazon. Now, if you guys know anywhere else that sells them at a reasonably good, decent price, please let me know in the comments. All right. If anybody is here, go and touch one of the ghost balls, okay? That I'm pointing at. I think next I'm going to try putting them on the floor if they don't die before I get a chance to do so. So I've done a test where they're on the bed and they did nothing, but the fan cord did move in that video. So, okay. Last time, to the count of 5, counting down from 5 to 1. If you're here, touch those ghost balls, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty then. So that was test number 2 with ghost balls on a hard wooden surface. Alrighty. Bye. Thanks for watching.